Open with a relatable moment. 5 years ago, financial freedom meant one thing. Work hard, retire early, relax forever. But look around. People are earning more than ever and still feel trapped. So why does freedom feel further away, even with more money? 2030, at least 15% of day-to-day finance decisions will be made autonomously. Introduce a simple character, no heavy backstory. A young professional with a decent income, a laptop, freedom to work anywhere, yet anxious, exhausted, always chasing the next paycheck. Contrast with someone earning less but feeling freer, fewer expenses, valuable skills, time control, emergency savings. Freedom isn't income. It's options. In the coming years, achieving financial freedom will depend more on discipline, continuous learning, and adaptability than ever before. Insight, shift the definition. Explain how financial freedom is changing. Not never working again, but choosing how you work. Not luxury, but stability in uncertainty. Not passive income alone, but active skills plus smart money habits. Shift from retire early to financial optionality. While the traditional goal was often to accumulate enough wealth to stop working entirely, a more modern perspective, particularly among younger generations, is the desire for financial optionality. This means having the resources to make life choices aligned with one's values and goals without being constrained by money, such as pursuing passion projects, taking career breaks, or choosing a fulfilling but lower-paying job. In the next 5 years, freedom means your life doesn't collapse when one income stops. Old mindset: I need more money to be free. New mindset: I need more control. Control over time, skills, spending, decisions. The future rewards people who can adapt, learn fast, and stay calm under pressure. You can't control what you don't measure. The first step is getting a clear picture of where your money is going. Calculate your net worth. List all your assets, what you own, and debts, what you owe, to see your overall financial standing. Track your spending. Review your bank and credit card statements from the past few months. Speak directly to the viewer. If you're young, this is good news. You don't need to be rich. You need to be intentional. Small actions matter. Saving even a little. Learning one high-value skill. Living below pressure, not below dignity. Financial freedom in the next 5 years won't look flashy. It will look quiet, calm, flexible. And the people who understand this early will live very differently. If you're building that kind of freedom, welcome to Money Mind. Like, comment and hit subscribe. Thanks for watching.